Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you something that I'm really excited about that came through the post. So it's the Morphe and James Charles collaboration, the brush set, as you can see. So this is the packaging. So I just want to show you what it comes with, which is really nice. So I'll show you. It comes in a massive humongous tub, as you can see. And it's really handy if you're a makeup artist or just you want to have your makeup brushes without getting dust or without getting ruined or anything. So it's really nice. It's a huge tub. So as you can see now it's empty, and you got, apart from these ones, these are spare ones that I'll go through a bit when I'll describe them. So these are like the duplicates brushes that comes in the set. So what I want to do in this video today is just go through what I got in the set and basically what they're used for. So I'll do a brief description of everything. So in the brush set, obviously you get the tub, which is the big tub that I showed you, and also you get the sponge. It's really good for highlighting, but if you use it wet, obviously, as you can see, then it's really good for foundation application, and it's really nice because you got this like slanted edge, which is really cool for a sponge. It's really squishy, it's really nice. So it's good for foundation application. So the next brush that I'm going to show you is the Morphe M439, which is the foundation brush. It's really good for applying foundation. As you can see, it's quite solid but very so firm. So it's really nice for that. And also in the set, the next brush that I want to show you is the Morphe E48. So this is really good. It's a mini pointed powder brush, and it's used for brush application, and it's really good for that purpose. And the next brush that I want to show you is the M527, which is this one. And this one is really good for versatiles. Yeah, so it's very good. This is a powder brush, so it's really good for application of bronzer. So if you want a really nice powder one, it's really good. And the next one is the M405, which is a contour blush brush. It's really nice with the shape like this, as you can see. So it's really good to just chisel out your cheekbones, and it's really good for blush application. The next one is the E62 brush, as you can see, and it's really good for nose contour. So it's a really nice shape, as you can see, and it's ideal for just blend out the nose contour brush. So the next one in the collection, it's the E4. And this is an angled contour brush, so it's really great to get that nice contour, and you can chisel out your cheekbones and have a great nice great contour. Then the next brush that I want to show you is that came in the collection is the M501, which is the Pro Pointed Blender brush. This is really good, as you can see, for highlighting. So it's a great nice shape. Great one to do that with the shape, makes it easier, and it's really soft. They're all really soft, so it's great. The next brush that I want to show you as well is the M410, which is really good. This is a concealer brush, so this is really good to just carve out your conceal your brows and just clean up your under your brows. So that's very nice. The next one is the M173, and it's a mini buffer brush. So this is great for spots that are really hard to reach, and it's for cutting out your crease. So it's very thick and very soft in the same time, but it's quite firm. So that's really good for that purpose. The next one that I want to show you as well is the M224, and this is the oval camouflage brush, and ideal for many things such as cutting the crease. Okay, so that's really nice. And then you get the M431, which is the precision pencil crease brush, and it's really good for highlighting the tip of your nose or the inner corners. So it's really good. And the next brush also that you get is the M58, which is the angle liner on one side. So this is the liner side and this is the spoolie side. So you get, it's a great combo. So you can use it obviously on your eyes and on your brows. So it's really good for that purpose. The next one also is the Morphe 441, which is a Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush. So great for seamless transition and blending out of the eyeshadow. So it's really, really good to just get that blending going. It's really nice. And the next one is the M439, which is a Pro Firm Blender Fluff Brush. It's fluffy but also firm, so it's really, really good to just blend that crease with. And the next one is the M456. Yeah, M456, which is a mini firm blending brush, and it's really good for like detailing, blending, and also for if you have like smaller eyes, it's really, really good to get that, you know, shadow in your eyes and have a good application of it. Also the next one that is in the collection, so it's M166, and this is an oval shadow brush. So this is great for packing on colour and in the inner outer corner as well, so for precise application. So as you can see, it's really nice. The next one is the M124, which is a firm shadow brush. Great for highlighting brow bone, so the brow bone area, and also for packing on colour as well, so you can use it for both purposes. The next one is M506, which is a tapered mini blender brush, and this is great for contouring, blending in the outer V. As you can see, really, really nice. Also, so the next one is the M152, which is the medium chisel fluff brush, and it's great for blending eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Okay, it's really, really good. And last but not least is the M250/1, and that's the detail liner brush, which is great for it's got synthetic bristles, so it's great for application of gel liner. So yeah, so this is everything that's in the collection. So as you can see, is loads of brushes. Very nice. And also you do get the duplicates, so I can quickly just go over what the duplicates are for you. So you do get, and I'll tell you as well how many. I just made some notes, so it's just easier for you. I can tell you like everything. So these ones are, the duplicates are the M224. So you've got the oval camouflage brush, which it comes in two. So it comes in 2 brushes. And then you get the M431, which is the precision pencil crease brush, and that comes also in two of them. Then you get the M441 Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush, and that comes in a packet of 3, so it's very good. And then you get the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush, which comes in a 3 as well. And then you get the M456, which is the Firm Blending Brush, and that comes in a 3 packet of 3 as well. You do get the M166 Overshadow Brush, and that comes in a packet of 2. And then you get the Firm Shadow Brush, which is M124, and that comes in a packet of 2. And then you do get quite a lot. So M506, the Tapered Mini Blender Brush, that comes in a set of 2. And then you get the M152, which is a medium chisel fluff brush, and comes in a packet of 2. And last is the M250/1, is a detail liner brush, and that comes in the 2 as well. So as you can see, you get quite a lot of brushes. So that's the smaller one, just want to make sure you can see it. So you do get quite a lot of brushes in the set. It's really nice because if you're a makeup artist, or if you're just doing makeup on yourself, it's really, really nice if you can, especially with eyeshadow brushes, if you can, you know, change them. So sometimes you just run out of them, but it's really, really nice the fact that you do always have clean ones that you can use, and more than one. So it's really, really good for that purpose. I'm really enjoying this one. If you want to see like a more detailed like a review video, I'm going to do that one as well for you guys, so you can see what I think of these brushes, how I use them on my makeup look, and I can just give you some tips and tricks of when I use them as well. And yeah, that's it. So very excited for this, really looking forward to try this brush set. And what I'll do, I'll list so I'll put the link down in the description box for you, so you can see where I bought them and stuff at the moment. So they have, at the moment on the Morphe site, website, they do have, I'm not sure if it's out of stock, but they do have 50% on some of the brushes. So go and have a look at that, you know, and see what you think about it. And if you like this video and you want to see more of my makeup videos and beauty videos as well, just please keep on watching, and please like and subscribe my video, and don't forget to switch on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload next. So thank you so much for watching, and stay safe guys, have a lovely day, take care, bye.